And it pumps quickly, the pressure will going down.
What is FL tech number? FL tech number?
FM 600.
Okay.
FM 600.
FM 600.
Yeah.
Low flow lamp. And now, okay, that's okay. And non-valve, the same thing in there, correct. Okay, so we are here, we are being pump discharge, and we are coming here. Okay, okay, guys. So with this, I was not rushing, but we ensured that we have covered all the no flow scenario. Now we'll go for the break. What is the time of break? You want to come back at 11:15 or 11:20?
Hello, Sign. This is Yumin. Like, I have a quick questions on the PNID. Go back to PNID, please.
First of all, can you introduce yourself?
Process engineer from Jacob.
Oh, okay. Have you seen this PNID before, or this is the first time you are seeing this PNID?
The first time I'm looking at the PNID, but looking at the, what's that? Can you explain what is it? What's the AJ jet aerator? What is it? AJ601A, 602, what is it? Can you explain this?
This is
About your chip pump, yes. She asked me about that.
What's the purpose of the jet pump?
yeah.
It is like
What is it? This one here.
this is for the air jet for the air mixing. It's injection for the air for the mixing.
So, air has to be introduced to this pumps, right? So
Yeah.
is this a jet aerator? So you need to include the right now. I don't see any what's that air suction. You need to have air